Did you know that some smoothies can pack in more sugar than a soda? It's all about the ingredients you choose. Smoothies have become a staple in many of our diets, and it's easy to see why. They're quick, they're easy, and they can be a tasty way to get some extra nutrients. But with the rise of smoothie shops and recipes online, there's been a growing debate about whether these blended drinks are truly healthy. Over the past decade, smoothies have exploded in popularity, with many health enthusiasts swearing by their ability to boost energy and support weight loss. Common ingredients like spinach, banana, and almond milk are often touted for their nutritional benefits, and many commercial smoothies claim to offer a range of health benefits, from improved digestion to enhanced immunity. The latest findings suggest that smoothies can indeed be a healthy addition to your diet. But it all comes down to the ingredients you choose. On the one hand, smoothies made with leafy greens like kale and spinach, along with fruits like berries and citrus, can provide a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. However, adding high-sugar ingredients like fruit juice, honey, or even too much fruit can quickly turn a healthy smoothie into a sugary treat. And let's not forget about the potential downsides of certain ingredients, like excessive caffeine from adding coffee or energy drinks. Some ingredients can enhance the nutritional value of your smoothie, while others can detract from it. For example, adding protein powder or healthy fats like avocado can help keep you full and support muscle growth. On the other hand, using too much yogurt or milk can add unnecessary calories and sugar. Even seemingly healthy ingredients like granola or energy bars can be high in added sugars and artificial ingredients. When it comes to incorporating smoothies into a balanced diet, portion sizes are key. A smoothie should complement a meal or snack, not replace it entirely. Aim for a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. And be mindful of your overall calorie intake. Choosing the right ingredients is also crucial. Opt for whole fruits and veggies, and limit your use of added sweeteners and artificial flavorings. Experts agree that smoothies can be a healthy choice, but it's all about making informed decisions. According to registered dietitian, smoothies can be a great way to get some extra nutrients, but it's essential to be mindful of the ingredients you're using. Focus on whole foods and limit your use of added sugars and artificial ingredients. In conclusion, smoothies can be a healthy and delicious addition to your diet, but it's all about making smart choices. By choosing the right ingredients and being mindful of portion sizes, you can enjoy the benefits of smoothies while minimizing the drawbacks. So, what are your favorite smoothie recipes? Share them with us in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out our video on 10 simple swaps for a healthier diet.